Hi, let's look at this question together. The figure is made up of two identical triangles and a rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle is 40 centimeter. The side of the square is 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded part. Okay, so you have a rectangle. The breadth here is 40. This part is 70, is given as part of the question. And you have two identical square of 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter, which means that here also 20 and here also 20. Okay, you are supposed to find the area of this shaded part. For this question, I'm going to provide you two solutions. Okay, so let's go to solution number one. Okay, for the solution number one, this is how we're going to do it. Okay, if we look at the original question, you want to find this shaded part. But once you look at this diagram carefully, you realize that it makes up of a rectangle and two triangle. One triangle here and another triangle. Okay, so I put here as triangle A and triangle B. So which is to say that if I take the area of the rectangle, I subtract triangle A and I subtract triangle B, I will get the area of the shaded part here. The next thing is, do I know the dimension for the two triangles so that I can find the area? So if you look at here, I already know this is 70. I know here is 20. And this is a right angle triangle, so I can easily find the area of triangle A. Similarly, if this length is 70 and I know here is 20, so this part here must be 50. So if I know this is 50 and I know the height is 40, I can also find the area of this triangle B. So now let's solve the problem. Area of the rectangle is length times breadth, so it's 70 multiplied by 40. I get 2800 centimeters square. Area of triangle A is half base times height, so if I take half of 70 multiplied by 20, I get 700. Similarly, area of triangle B is 50 multiplied by 40. Half times base times height. So I half times 50 times 40, I get 1000. So the area of the shaded part is, I take the area of rectangle, which is 2008, subtract triangle A, which is 700, subtract triangle B, which is 1000. The answer is 1100 centimeters square. I've solved the problem. Okay, now let's look at the second solution. Okay, this is another way of doing it. Based on the question that is given, I draw a diagonal line that cut this shaded part into two triangles. I call it triangle A and I call it triangle B. So for triangle B, I can straight away see that the base is 20. So I call it the base of triangle A so that easier for you to see. The height of this triangle is 70. The base of triangle B is 20. The height of triangle B is 40. Okay, so for those where you are not able to visualize, I rotate the diagram so that hopefully you can see. It's the same diagram, I just rotate it by 90 degrees. So you can see the base of triangle A and the height of triangle A, the base of triangle B and the height of triangle B. Okay, so the area of the shaded part is nothing but the area of triangle A plus the area of triangle B. So I put into my equation, area of triangle A is half base times height, half times 20 times 70, I get 700. area of triangle B is half times 20 times 40. This part is 40. So half times base times height, half times 20 times 40 is 400. So the area of the shaded part is area A plus area B, which is 700 plus 400 is 1100 centimeters square. I hope this video helps. If you like my video, appreciate you can subscribe it. Thank you.